Your neighbor's Blink camera just caught someone trying your front door handle last night. That's not the kind of news anyone wants to hear. But without your own Blink security camera, you might never know who's been lurking around your property. Modern home security cameras do more than just record footage. They send real-time alerts to your phone, allow you to see who's at your door from anywhere so you can speak to visitors, or warn off intruders thanks to two-way audio. With motion detection technology, these cameras only record when there's activity, saving storage space while ensuring nothing important is missed. Installing a security camera doesn't just catch criminals, it helps deter them before they act. Get your Blink camera today for your peace of mind.